Okay, so we have a question here which asked, which of the following are about 3 kilograms? So in this video, I want to talk a little bit about kilograms to give you a reference in terms of a physical item and also a conversion to pounds that makes sense. Because I think that for many of us, we're more familiar with the US standard system and we're more used to associating these kinds of weight measurements with pounds, not kilograms or grams. But there's a nice connection between them, and there's a nice connection between kilograms and volume, which I think you'll find helpful. So let's look at this. So 1 gram, not a kilogram, but 1 gram. As an association, it's a very small amount of weight, right? It's about, let's say, 1 paperclip, right? It's a very small amount of weight. You need hundreds of these to make a pound, all right? About 450, I believe. So that's a small amount of weight. If you take a kilogram, right, 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So what does that mean? Well, that's about, right, 2.2 pounds as an association right there. So every kilogram is about 2.2 pounds, but you might need an association. Let's say we have an 8-ounce can of soda, like this one right here. Well, if we had 4.5 cans, right, of soda, of 8-ounce cans of soda, that's about 1 kilogram. So 1 kilogram is about 4.5 cans of soda, which might help you as a reference to think about what that means in terms of weight. This right here, let's assume this is a 1 liter bottle, right, which is becoming very popular with soda. It could be water, soda, whatever, it doesn't matter. 1 liter of let's say average density liquid between soda and water, pretty close. What happens there is if it's 1 liter of, right, 1 liter of water, that's exactly 1 kilogram. So that might be a nice association for you as well. So all this means is that if we have 3 kilograms, right, and each kilogram is about 2.2 pounds, that means we have about what? Well, 3 times 2.2 is about 6.6 pounds, right? Or if you think in terms of this liters of water, it's about 3 of these liters of water. So which of these, right, which of these is closest to that? Well, a fly is certainly not a kilogram, more likely a gram. A wooden chair is much heavier, maybe about 10 to 20 pounds. An empty cup, maybe a pound, probably a lot less. And lastly, a fully grown cat is probably the most likely choice. Alright, so I hope this helped.